What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Matic or Polygon, whatever you want to call it. I'll call it Matic in this video, but wanted to do a full technical overview. We're really going to go in depth on the technicals while also incorporating the fundamentals to give you a full overview of what's going on with Matic and what the possibilities are. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into that, I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links in the pinned comment and the description. There you'll find instructions on how to join and also results and that type of stuff. But all right, let's talk about Matic right now. One of my most favorite cryptos, as most of you know. Also has a lot going on right now. Volume has dropped down a little bit, but yesterday we dropped down quite significantly. You can see that we had a bullish breakout above this level at around 1.15. And we gave up that level, gave up the 200 EMA yesterday. I gotta say, the price action of Matic right now is pretty weird. We're not respecting a lot of things. And the key levels are just weird in general. But all right, we gave that up because of bearish momentum in the entire market. Dollar strength index was very strong for various reasons, but I don't think it's necessary to get into that in this video. But that brought us back down, which is actually fairly bullish that we managed to hold this. But that brought us back down to 1.1 and this trend line, which is a very weird trend line, but it's quite respected. But apart from that, 1.1 all the way up to 1.12 is also a strong support level. So we held that, we broke above 1.12, and right now what I would say the market structure really is something like this. You can see above us the main resistance is really this small level. Well, the yellow is absolutely beautiful. It's this, but I'm going to delete that. But you can see what I mean. It's really that small level above there. That's our main resistance. And then right now, as I said, we do have some strong support as well under us. So I would say that the market structure is something like this, right? So a little bit of a triangle, which has, I think, a great illustration. And I think we're going to follow that triangle. I expect some Bitcoin still looks very strong. The market looks very strong. Whether it's healthy or not, we can discuss that, but for now, it looks strong. So I think we can continue this market structure up towards 1.18 and perhaps even 1.2. But the problem is I do not know if we can break above 1.2. Because what we essentially would want to do is break above 1.18, break above 1.2. And then after we've broken above that, we'll rally all the way up to 1.28, 1.3. That's really our first major resistance level. We want to do that, and there are some things pointing in favor of something like this, like the bullish momentum in the market, or the Polygon ZK EVM still coming out at the end of March, which I am still expecting some bullish momentum for. But I have to say, and I have to be honest with you about this is really going to depend on what the market does. And the market right now is really looking at that banking sector in the world, but also looking at the interest rates coming next week in 6 days, next week Wednesday. So I would argue it's going to depend on what Bitcoin does. I would say if you know all the circumstances in the market, I would say this is the most likely scenario, so that we will follow that structure and at some point be able to break out above 1.2, 1.19, 1.18 and continue our bullish momentum. But I do want you to be cautious and know that if for some reason the economic circumstances change, Bitcoin will fall. And if Bitcoin falls, then the Matic will fall with it down towards that 1.05, 1.02 level again. So that's a possibility. I'm saying it's not the most likely possibility, but it definitely is a possibility. So that's my take on Matic for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching and bye.